Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to record the screen on your Mac. Recording the screen of your Mac is very easy. It's supported natively, so all you have to do is press Command-Shift-5. In the toolbar below you will have icons that will let you capture the entire screen or portions of it only. We have selected full screen and all we need to do is click on the screen and the recording will start. Perform the actions that you want to record. Once done, click on the stop button in the top menu bar. The video will appear on your desktop as a video file. It's that simple and straightforward. Best of all, it's natively supported, so there's no need to fiddle with third-party applications. What else do you want to know about iOS features? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.